You make summer salads in 10 minutes prep, 10 to 15 minutes cooking, serving 2-4. Boil macaroni with corn in salted water. Flavor with deji red chili, turmeric, cardamom, peppercorns, and ginger garlic paste. Cool. While the water simmers, stir in 1 tea deji red chili powder and ½ teaspoon turmeric. Drop in 1 black cardamom pod and 2 to 3 peppercorns. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste so bite smells warm. For honey mustard, garlic, mustard sauce, honey, mayonnaise, crushed pepper. Toss with Lolo Rosso, pineapple cubes, and grated feta. For tomato mayo, mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, pepper, chopped mild green chilies, grated ginger, chopped coriander. Mix with lettuce, sweet corn pasta, and cherry tomatoes. For Greek salad, onion roundels, cucumber slices, halved cherry tomatoes, chopped yellow and red bell peppers, capsicum, torn iceberg, vinaigrette, vinegar, pepper, mustard sauce, olive oil, crumbled feta, mint, and toasted bread with butter. Finish with coriander sprig and shredded purple cabbage.